running a single test from unittest.TestCase via the command line. In our team, we define most test cases like this. One framework class auth.py. And a lot of test cases like testmycase.py. When I'm writing new test code and want to run it often, and save time, I do put underscore in front of all other tests. But it's cumbersome, distracts me from the code I'm writing, and the commit noise this creates is plain annoying. So, for example, when making changes to TestShot, I want to be able to do this. And have unittest run only TestShot. How can I achieve that? I tried to rewrite the if underscore name underscore equals underscore main underscore column part, but since I'm new to Python, I'm feeling lost and keep bashing into everything else than the methods.
This works as you suggest, you just have to specify the class name as well.
If you organize your test cases, that is, follow the same organization like the actual code and also use relative imports for modules in the same package, you can also use the following command format. Python 3 documentation for this, command line interface.
It can work well as you guess. And there is another way to just test it a shot.
If you check out the help of the unittest module, it tells you about several combinations that allow you to run test case classes from a module and test methods from a test case class.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.